In this video, I will show you step by step how I made $175,210 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on YouTube. I will share with you guys new affiliate link that you should start promoting on YouTube, new trending and profitable affiliate link that made me a lot of commission. I will share this affiliate link with you in this video. And for people who are new to my YouTube channel, guys, I will show you guys step by step how you can join Fiverr affiliate marketing, how you can create an affiliate account like this one, and so much more. Okay, and as you can see in my balance over here, I have $7,510 in commission available. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month, and I will still get more commission in next few days, and it can be up to 10k this month, hopefully. So anyways, so for people who are new to my YouTube channel and you want to start making money with Fiverr affiliate marketing, go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so what you need to do next, you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You can check this website so you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service. Fiverr affiliate marketing business, they are really paying a lot of money for those services. It's the best and profitable affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. Okay, it's really profitable, okay, from my experience. So what you will do, click on join now, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate, this sign up process page. So as you can see, the sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program is super easy and simple. Put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account tip, make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. Okay, and if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. After you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate marketing business. Okay, so what you will do next, you need to choose specific and a good service to promote on YouTube. Okay, so what you will do, you will go to your YouTube home page. Okay, so first, why I choose YouTube to promote my affiliate links? So did you know that YouTube has 30 billion monthly visitors? Millions of people every single day are using YouTube to search for services, products, specific topics. Okay, and YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. Okay, Google is the number one and YouTube is number two. So I know people who are making really good money, millions of dollars every single month, just from affiliate marketing using YouTube. Okay, just promoting affiliate links on YouTube because there are so much traffic from YouTube. Okay, so anyways, go to your YouTube homepage, click on the search, ask question. So for example, you will ask how to create a website, for example, and YouTube, how to create a website. YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for. People are searching for how to create a website for your business, how to create a website using WordPress, how to create a website using HTML, how to create a website on Shopify, how to create a website on Wix. Those people who are searching for how to create a website, they will be interested to buy this service. Go back to Fiverr, click on the search for website development. Okay, so those people who are searching for how to create a website, they will be interested to buy this service. A lot of people will be interested to buy this service from your affiliate link. Okay, for example, like this one, as you can see, for example, like this one. So what you will do, so just scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link. Okay, so let's choose, for example, I will choose this one. So what you will do next, just click on his service. So let's choose, for example, this seller. Just click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. What you will do next, you will copy his profile link. Just copy his profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and click over here and put this seller profile link here. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what you will do next, you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Before we do that, go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, click on his video, upload, double click and upload this video to your laptop. So we will use this video to promote our affiliate link on YouTube. Upload this video. I will name this video website, and go to Canva, go to Google, search for Canva, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click on video and you will be directly in this page. Click on upload file, okay, and upload this video to your laptop, okay, to your Canva account. Open, this is my video. Click on your video and your video will be over here. Click on this 3 points, click on set video as background, okay, click on text, scroll down, choose which style of text you want to use. I will use this one. Just click on the style text you want to use. I will delete this part. I will make it like this, small, okay, double click and write this sentence: check link in description. Check link in description, okay. Check link in description like this, and click on elements and click over here on ship, okay, and use this one for your for this text like this, okay, to make your text looking good. And here you go. Click on your video, delete the background music so you will not have any issue, any copyright issue with YouTube. Just delete the background music. Let's check. And here you go. So after you finish, click on share, click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Go to your YouTube channel, upload this video and put this title in your YouTube video title. Use this title, how to create a website, okay. It's super easy, guys. And in your YouTube description, put your affiliate link. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description and publish this video on YouTube. It's really easy and simple. You are making videos and services that people are searching for on YouTube. So those people who are searching for how to create a website, they will check your YouTube video. They will see this, check link in description. They will check your YouTube description. They will find your affiliate link. If they will click on your affiliate link, they will be directly in this seller profile page. Click on continue, buy this service from your affiliate link, and you will earn commission. It's really easy and simple, okay. If you don't know how to do it, if you don't know how to put your affiliate links in your YouTube description, how you publish your video, check my YouTube video in my description. I will leave a link in my description below so you can guys check step-by-step tutorial video showing you how you can put your affiliate links in your YouTube description, okay. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I will still share a lot of profitable services and affiliate links that you can promote on YouTube for free without investing any money. You can start this business for free. You can use YouTube to promote your affiliate links, and that's it, and you can start making money. Of course, you need to work hard, stay consistent, upload a lot of videos, promote a lot of services that people are searching for on YouTube, and that's it. See you in my next video.